All right, we've waited long enough to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to welcome everybody to this live cast. I am super excited to talk to you about how I made $1 million. And now, not how I'm going to show you how to do it, but how you can actually partner with me and do this with me, okay? So listen, this is a live presentation. This is only gonna last a few minutes, but this is super exciting stuff because look, I've been taking notes, I've been watching what people are doing, and if you're struggling to make money on the internet, if you've tried but you've failed, here's a shocker. It's not easy. It's not easy to build something from scratch, but here's what's simple. Simple is partnering with someone who's made $1 million, but not just right now. I didn't just make this today. I'm gonna show you how I was making $1 million over 10 years ago. But again, I'm gonna show you how you can plug right in and partner with me and do this. But look, first what I wanna do is I wanna talk to you about why I started doing this. This, what you see on the screen, this is my parents. And the whole reason that I started making money on the internet doing anything was because my parents lost pretty much their whole life savings in the stock market, right? Overnight, boom, disaster, lost millions of dollars. I needed to figure out what I could do to help them. So here's what I did. I turned to something called affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing made total and complete sense to me. And this is where it got so exciting. I wanted to help my parents. I wanted to make sure they didn't lose their home. I wanted to save them from a financial disaster. And I did just that, but I did it at a level I never expected. Check this out. These are the checks that I made in 6 months, okay? 6 months, the first 6 months of the year, 2006. These total $732,618.75 in 6 months. But listen, if that's all I made, that would still be phenomenal. But check out the next 6 months of 2006. $720,314.09. These are checks that were literally written to my dad because at the time I was just a college kid. I was trying to make money for my parents. I wasn't trying to get rich. I wasn't trying to build an internet business. I stumbled onto this, and that's why I'm so glad that you're here and you'll have the opportunity to partner with me because look, I didn't just do this in 2006. I'm doing it right now. You see, in 2006, that's $1,452,932.84. But check this screenshot out from right now, from current, like a current screenshot. $982,505.22. And here's where it gets exciting. Look on your screen. That is from just one program. That's from one affiliate program, not from many, just from one. I have figured out how to generate commissions like this with many different programs. What I've shown you so far proves that I have been doing it for over 13 years now and at a 7-figure level. However, last year, I actually had an 8-figure year and I was given a pretty nice award to celebrate such an awesome achievement. Look, there are a ton of programs you can earn commissions like this from if you have the right system and the right training. And listen, if you have the right partner. Okay? I'm going to show you how I can help you and how you can plug right in and start working with me right now. But first, here I am getting my 8-figure award. Again, this award was given to me with thousands of people in the room for earning 8 figures in a single year. Pretty amazing stuff. I've sold over 1 million books on television, teaching people just like you how to build an internet business, right? I've spoken to crowds of over 5,000 people about affiliate marketing. In fact, look on the screen. It says affiliate income, internet marketing fundamentals. This was me teaching people how to build an internet business. And here's what I think was probably the coolest thing is I even got interviewed on CNN. And I want you to take a look at the screen. Look at it right now. It says The Hidden Millionaire, how to start a new business. CNN brought me on during the financial crisis, during the recession. And they said, teach people how to start a business online. That's pretty powerful stuff, and I got to teach America, and now what I want to do is I'm going to stop teaching, and I want to actually partner with you so that you can do this with me. So let's cut to the chase. This is not about me, and it shouldn't be. It's really about you, okay? I would like to let you just plug into my Partner with Anthony program, plug right into our ecosystem. This is why it gets cool. This is the exact one that I use right now to generate all these commissions that you've seen me share with you already today live on this presentation. This means I do all the selling for you and you can just completely leverage me to earn your commissions. Where have you ever seen that before? Look, is it difficult? Is it hard? These affiliate commissions require absolutely no selling, no customer support, and no drop shipping, okay? This is literally digital marketing at its core, meaning you're not having to go do a bunch of selling. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to do customer support. It's a much simpler way to build wealth on the internet. So why partner with you? Okay, what's in this for me? These affiliate companies give me what we call an override on the commissions that you earn. So that simply means, check this out, when you make money, I make money. The more money you make, the more money I make. They appreciate me helping you. They appreciate me partnering with you. They appreciate me sharing with you how I've done this. Again, not just this year, but for over a decade at a 7-figure or more level, right? So I get a small little override. It doesn't come out of your money. It doesn't cost you anything. It's a bonus that they give to me for helping you out. So think about that. Of course, that means I have a vested interest in you being successful. Where have you ever heard that before, right? That's exactly why this is different, and it makes complete sense for anyone looking to make money online to follow what I'm teaching you, to partner with me, to let me work with you, because we're both going to benefit when you're successful. My students make money and I make money, and that's what gets me excited. Take a look at the screen. This is Chris. He says, I haven't posted in a while, but here's a screenshot of actual real money in my bank account, which is currently doing $227 per month. Okay, think about this, $227 per month already from Chris. Check out Adam. This is a big deal for me. I cannot believe it. Wow, this is real money in my PayPal account. Thank you so much, Anthony Morrison. This is where he received $172.80. I want you to remember, this is just from one of the programs, one of the affiliate programs that I let you plug into in my Partner with Anthony ecosystem. And look at Donald. Donald's at $447.16. Amazing. My students are making money and I make money. That's what's so powerful about this. Now, do I guarantee you millions? Let's just cut to the chase. I don't guarantee you millions. I don't guarantee you're going to make $1. Here's the thing. My students have been able to make money. You've seen that. You've seen that I've made money at a 7-figure and 8-figure level. And what I'm doing right now is saying, stop the teaching and start partnering. Start working together, because working together is going to be simpler for you to be successful than for you to be doing it on your own, watching some outdated videos like most people give you, okay? So I'm not guaranteeing you millions of dollars. Let's be real clear. I'm a very, very transparent person, but because you're here, because you're on this presentation, because you're here live with me, I'm going to allow you to partner with me, and I'm going to help you do this, okay? So how can you partner with me today? Since it's very beneficial for me to let you plug into my ecosystem, I will not be charging you more than a few dollars to get started. I want you to think about literally a few dollars. It's going to blow your mind, but it's going to show you that, look, I'm going to be charging $197 per month to join my Partner with Anthony program very soon. That's coming up very, very soon. But right now, you qualify for the Founders Discount. Okay? That means you're seeing this before anyone else has seen it. There's very few people that have even seen this, because look, we're live right now. How many people could possibly be on here? Okay? There's very, very few people here, which means your eyes are some of the first ones to see it. So you qualify for my Founders Discount. And as you can see below, literally, you just pay a few bucks and you're in, and you can plug right into my Partner with Anthony ecosystem. Here's what you get with the Partner with Anthony program. You get exclusive commission links. These are the links that you use to actually make money, okay? So these are your real core links. You get the Partner with Anthony training sessions. Okay, this is where I walk you through how to set and plug everything in, okay? This is not some outdated training videos. This is a step-by-step, do this, do that. We're plugging into the ecosystem, okay? You get exclusive access to the business building ecosystem. That's where it blows everything away. This is where you plug your affiliate links in. I show you how to get them. And then I do everything else for you. All the selling, all the education, all the training, everything I've been doing for over a decade. I'm going to do it for you so that you can start to generate those commissions for yourself. And you also get the Partner with Anthony live trainings. I do it right here in my office. I'm super transparent. I love working from home. And I'm going to invite you to a live training that I do right here every single week so I can help you grow your business, okay? Plus, there's a few bonuses that you're going to get since we're here live on this presentation. Number one, I'm going to give you my done-for-you funnel that I use to generate the commissions that you saw earlier in this training, okay? Earlier in this presentation, when I was telling you about the money that I've made, I'm going to give you the funnel that I use to make that money. It's done for you. You click a button. You can install it using the exact same thing we do, okay? So we'll give you that. Number two, I'm going to give you a copy of my book. It's called The Hidden Millionaire. It's over 1 million people have purchased this book. It's phenomenal. In fact, that book is literally right there on my wall. It says The Hidden Millionaire and it says Legacy. right? I like to surround myself with things that are super important. My legacy, never giving up, and then a picture of my dad who unfortunately passed away last year, but he's always watching over me. My goal is to always do things that are going to leave a legacy, to never give up, and to always make my dad proud. And that's the reason why I'm doing this. That's the reason why I've opened this up. I've never done this before. This is a true partnership opportunity. The bonuses are great. You also get access to my Success Connection, which is another live training that I do for you every single week, completely free. My goal is to help you, because once you become a partner, the more success you have, the more success I have, the more success we both have. That allows me to leave a legacy. And it could allow you to leave a legacy for your family as well. So what I want you to do is, if you are excited about this, if you're excited about plugging into something that actually works and partnering with me so that I can show you how this is done, all you gotta do is click the link that you see right below to enroll in this program. It will not last forever. You need to act now. You need to click the button that you see right below, because listen, when we end this live stream event, this page is gonna vanish. Now there's gonna be somebody that's gonna test me on here, right? You're gonna wait until the end, and when you do, you're gonna see the page is gonna close. Once we are offline, it's going to close, which means in the next few minutes we are going to close this thing down, and the page is going to vanish, and you're not going to be able to get in on this page right now, okay? So very, very important, click the link below. Look, I want to be very clear. I'm not in my studio. I have $1 million studio. I'm not in there. Look, I'm not dressed fancy or anything. I'm sitting here. This is just me. It's in my office. It's real. It's raw. And look, it's because I love the freedom of working from home. Right? I love what this has been able to do for me. It's allowed me so much in life. It's allowed me, look right here on the screen, this is my beach oasis, I call it. I literally own an entire floor here at this condo right on the beach, and that's where I spend my summers. I'm allowed to travel on private airplanes, which I absolutely love because I can get places faster. And I mean, hey, who doesn't want to be on a private plane, right? And then it's allowed me to have the car of my dreams. This is me. I just took this picture. You can actually see I'm in the same shirt. And this is something I took today, but I've got a Rolls Royce, and I absolutely love it. In fact, this was a gift to my wife for when we got married. Like, this business has allowed me so much, and it can allow so much for you. It's time for you to partner with me. Look at these people on the screen. They're all excited. That's me with them. I've been doing this for years, and I love helping my students. I want to help you, okay? I want to help you, but I can only help you if you take action. Look, it's much harder to do it alone, okay? It's so much harder to do this alone. This is not outdated videos. This is not one click to millions promises. What this is a true ecosystem. You plug right into that ecosystem, and it's what I'm already doing, right? So literally you're using what I'm doing, and you're able to use it for yourself. I'm opening it up, I'm partnering with you, and I'm saying, hey, look, there's power in numbers. If I can share this with everybody that's on here live right now, and you start doing this, hey, I might not make as much money, but I'm gonna make a lot of money because a lot of people are making money. And that's what makes the world go round. That's what makes our economy great. When I can profit by helping you profit. When my life gets better because your life gets better. That's what this is all about. That's what the Partner with Anthony program is about. So again, here's what's included in the program. You're gonna get your exclusive commission links. All right, that's the links that you can use to make money. You're gonna get the Partner with Anthony training sessions. Again, this is me showing you step by step how to plug all this in. You're gonna get the business building ecosystem. This is super, super important because this is the core. This is what I've built over the last 10 years that allows me to generate those commissions, okay? You get to plug right into it. And you're gonna get the Partner with Anthony live trainings so that every single week I can help you build your business and help you scale and answer any of your questions live on a training, okay? All right, you're gonna get the bonuses. You're gonna get my done for you funnel, the exact one I use to generate commissions. I'm gonna give it to you, right? You're gonna get a copy of my book, The Hidden Millionaire, the one that I literally look at every single day of my life. I've sold over 1 million copies. I'm gonna give you a digital copy of that completely free right inside of the Partner with Anthony members area. And you're gonna get access to my Success Connection. This is where I literally build businesses every week and give them to you, because that's how committed I am to you being successful. Look, what I'm gonna do right now is I want you to take action. I want you to click that link that you see below this video that's somewhere on this page. I know we're streaming this live, but I don't know where the button's gonna be, but I think it'll be right below. There's also a timer on this page. When that timer hits 0, let me tell you something. This page is going to close, all right? So you are running out of time. But if you haven't made the choice right now to get in, if you haven't made the choice to join the Partner with Anthony program right this minute, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you for a quick, and I'm talking quick, look inside of the members area of Partner with Anthony. I'm gonna show you where you plug your links in and where I do all of the selling so that you can generate commissions, okay? And I'm telling you right now, we have less than, I think probably 2 or 3 minutes left, okay? I can't see the page and I can't see the timer, but we have less than a few minutes left. So you need to take action. You need to click that link so that you can get enrolled, because you can get started instantly. So check this out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go right in to the Partner with Anthony program right now. So let's take a quick look here. What I'll do, just to save some time, is I'll pull this up on the screen. This is the inside of the Partner with Anthony program, okay? This is the inside of it. Now, what you'll notice when you get in is you find your commission links, just like I promised you would, so they're right there. There's some business resources, there's some really cool stuff, but here's what you're gonna find, okay? You're gonna find that we break this down into sessions for you, and let's take a quick look at, like, say, session 3, okay? This is where it's so powerful to plug in to our blueprint. Check this out. Right here where it says getting your basic tools. This is a video where I will be teaching people. Let's just pull it up real fast and stop. This is a video of me teaching people right inside of our studio. And I'm explaining to them why you need 2 or 3 specific tools, okay? And you'll see them right here. 2 or 3 specific tools. You can see these links as my mouse goes over them. You need these tools in order to build your business. Here's the awesome thing. Right now, when somebody comes in to Partner with Anthony, those are my affiliate links. They're generating commissions for me. However, when you join the Partner with Anthony program, I let you change those links out to your links. What that means is when I play that video and people go in and they say, wow, I really do need that. Anthony's teaching me the right way to build a business. When they click those links and they get those programs that they really need to build their business, you get the credit for it. You make money from it. It's your commissions. Again, everything done inside of here, what is affiliate marketing? Showing everybody what they need to see. Everything done in here is done with intention. Everything done in here is done to allow you to be able to generate commissions, okay? And I do all of the work for you. You literally plug in your links. That is our Partner with Anthony ecosystem. Listen, we are closing this page down right now. The live stream is about to go off. This has been a lot of fun. I don't know that I've ever done just like a pop-up live right on a web page like this before, but I can tell you this. When that timer hits 0, this thing is over. The page will leave. It will automatically redirect you and you will leave this page, okay? What you need to do is take action. What you need to do is make the decision right now that this is gonna make a difference in your life. That plugging into an ecosystem that's proven to work, not for a few years, but for like over a decade, right? This isn't some fly-by-night thing. This changed my life. This saved my parents' home. It's what put my brother through college. It's what put my sister through college. It's what's allowed me to give my family a wonderful life. It's what's allowed me to employ so many people. It's what's allowed me to help so many charities and help so many people that needed help when they need it. And listen, it can help you too. But nobody can help you if you don't take the first step. Nobody can help you if you don't take the first action. Okay? You've got to put one foot in front of the other in order to truly make a difference in your life. I am here to tell you that this can be that opportunity. Listen, I'm going to give you a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That's how serious I am. Try it out. Click the link below before this page ends. You'll get a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Go through my program, plug right in, and if you don't start making commissions, and if it doesn't work for you, okay, which, hey, it doesn't work for everybody, right? Not everybody does it right. Not everybody actually even does it. So, hey, I'm not going to say we have a 100% success rate because we don't. But if it doesn't work for you, we'll refund you. Just ask for a refund in the first 30 days. No problem. Not a big deal. It's only a few bucks, right? What we want is the people that are serious, the ones that are hungry, the ones that are tired of going to work every day and working for somebody else, the ones that are sick of getting up and going to the office when they could sit at home and enjoy their home and their family and their life, right? Freedom. We want the people that want freedom. Not just financial freedom, but the freedom financial freedom gives you. The freedom to do what you want, when you want, live life on your terms, right? That's what this is all about. And I'm not saying it's guaranteed, but I'm saying that this is a path that I've taken that's given it to me. I've seen it give it to so many other people. Why are you any different? Why can't you be the same? I truly believe if you're still here watching this presentation, like if you're still with us live as we're about to close down, you are committed. Because look how much time you have spent listening and thinking and the conversation going on in your mind of, should I click that link? Is this another one of those wasteful programs where I'm just going to waste my time? Look, I'm not afraid to admit that those do exist, but I'm telling you right now, this is different. I've shown you it's different. I've shown you it's time tested for over a decade. I've shown you that I'm making a lot of money. I've shown you my students have made some money, and I'm showing you that you got a full 30 days to try it. And if it's not everything I said it was, just ask me for a refund and I'll give it to you, right? My goal is to leave a legacy. My goal is to make sure that you never give up. I don't want to give up on you, and I don't want you to give up on yourself. Click the link that you see on this page right now, because we're going to be closing it down here in just a few minutes. Again, listen, my name is Anthony Morrison. Thank you so much for joining me on this live stream. I sure hope to see you inside the Partner with Anthony program. I hope to help you build your business and help you have massive success. I'll see you next time.